I'm Dr. Carlo Riolo.
And I'm Dr. Katie Nixit.
And welcome to PAW Health Network. We're a 24-hour, all-care, small animal clinic that sees patients nights, weekends, holidays, whenever anyone's available. For Dr. Katie and I, several years ago, when we decided to make the transition from associate veterinarians to owners, we had a vision, and that vision was to be the force of change within the industry. And the clinic we were in was just a nights and weekends clinic, and we had to retrofit that clinic to process. And as we continued to focus more and more and more onto process, that's what sort of drove us towards the build fresh, build new.
With Keller, we have built a new 11,000 square foot building, which includes a caregiver welcome area, lobby, and 8 caregiver education rooms and separate checkout area. Our treatment area includes separate areas for laboratory, 6 treatment tables, patient kennels, as well as medical record areas. We have 2 surgical suites as well as a surgery prep area, and then expanded our large dog kennels and runs, as well as an outdoor fenced-in area to take pets outside. Keller was one of a few companies that was recommended to us by our banker.
It was really the personability. There was just more engagement in really wanting to understand what we were trying to do and what we were trying to accomplish. The other companies that we met with, it was like rolling out a portfolio and here's all the other things that we've done before. But it was really more of like, yeah, here's this folder of stuff if you want to see it, but more importantly, what are you guys trying to achieve? That was really kind of the big selling point. We started to collaborate with the Keller architect and project manager. It was really comforting to know that they were the initial representation of the company, but they were going to go back to all of the experts they had within their team to then kind of finish out the renderings, everything even down to our interior designer, to colors, to how palettes were going to work. It was really good to know that we had all of these different entities, all of these different parties trying to sort of bring our vision to fruition, bring it into a physical form. The response from the community has been overwhelmingly positive. We've had existing caregivers and new caregivers come to our facility and really see that we're the real deal. To receive compliments from people in the community who have not been here before, to see how efficient our process is and understand that we have a system in place, and the building's thanks to that, of course. I can't imagine doing business with anyone else, to be honest. Wasn't just looking for a local builder that did, a 100-mile radius around us. It's who has the logistics to serve the entire state? Who has the logistics to expand beyond just this area? And that was one of the big points for us in doing business with Keller, is that they can do things on the local level, they can do things on the state level, and allow your business to grow any way that it can or it chooses to grow.